In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PS5 HDMI not working. The first thing you want to do is check your HDMI cable and connection. Make sure that the HDMI cable is secure and connected to both your PS5 and your TV. If not, try using a different HDMI cable and another HDMI port. Then you want to simply go ahead and select the correct HDMI unit on your TV. Then if that is not the case, then you might need to simply go ahead and turn off your PS5 TV completely, unplug both devices from power, wait for 60 seconds and turn it back on. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your TV settings. Make sure that your HDMI is enabled on your TV and simply try disabling settings like HDMI-CEC if it is causing an issue. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and turn off your PS5 and press and hold on the power button until you hear the second beep, and then click on change video output. You can also go ahead and try a different TV or monitor, connect to your PS5 to another TV or monitor to check if the issue is with your device. If that is not the case, you might need to go to settings, system software, and update to the latest version. If nothing works, restore the settings to default. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.